We don't know yet. No, we haven't got a script yet.
We haven't got a, John and I haven't got a script yet.
We haven't got a script yet either.
For Disc and Music Echo, this is Tom Lodge bringing you Sound of the Stars. Alright, now it's time to kick off with the one and only Scylla. Hey, what's happening? What's going on? It's the Beatles! Yes.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the recording studios. Conditions in here today aren't what we'd hoped, but we're certainly going to have a bash at producing another Smasheroo Christmas record.
Oh, wait a minute, it's not a Christmas record. No, like I said, it's Sound of the Stars. Your turn comes later on, but right now, I'm trying to introduce Scylla Black talking to the Bachelors.
Well, Scylla, it's very nice of you to join us this year in Blackpool. What do you think about the show?
What do I think about the show? I'm looking forward to it because, you know, after your management practically begging on their hands and knees for me, I thought...
The show is good, the last one.
Anyway, I'm buying a new car, so... Yes.
What's the car?
A Mini, but it's all like made up to look like a rails. They call it Mini rails, so I should have it by July.
Well, I'm afraid to drive because I had a nasty accident a couple of weeks ago.
Oh, Declan, what happened to you?
I was going around the road and that's last I remember.
I
know, it was alright. Only my head. See the little compartment in my head.
Yes, I also noticed a few grey hairs there.
It's the worry, Scylla.
Yeah.
See, you worry me.
Oh, don't be like that. I get all embarrassed.
You did that before us.
When?
When we had I Believe, we were number 2.
Yes.
And we were all set and all the predictions, you know, for number 1.
Oh, no.
And then Scylla creeps up on me.
No.
And then Scylla creeps up on me. The horse and cards.
Would it be You're My World? Horse and cards, anyone on a heart?
Yes, that's it.
Oh, I'll smash your face with it.
There we have the actual voices of Scylla Black and the Bachelors. But wait for it. It's Cliff Richard talking to Hank Marvin and Bruce Welch of The Shadows.
Hey, is that a new song?
That sounds all right.
What, for the film?
Yes.
Oh, that sounds great. Do you like the lyrics? Tremendous.
I'm glad.
I tell you, I think it's got real heart.
It has.
So we finished 4.
You finished 4th,
It was the one where the women are washing it.
Sorry,
the river.
yes, I fancied that, yes.
Wash your woman. Wash your woman. Wash your woman.
I've got it. Look at that. It's great. No, great lyrics as well, I thought.
Well, very, very
What's
good.
the bit we heard?
It unfolds into a story of pathos and tragedy. Listen.
Yes.
Then there's the one where you're walking with a girl in the square.
Amelia.
This is very touching.
I just met a girl named Amelia.
The one at the close of the film where the fireworks.
Oh, yeah.
We thought, it's a fiesta thing, isn't it?
It is, very much so.
I thought we'd probably nick the Tijuana Brass kind of song.
Oh, great. If we start shooting next week, then
It's May already. The rain in Spain lies mainly in the Pinewood Studios.
Well, I hope it doesn't, folks.
First of all, Julie, do you ever miss Australia, living here and being away from it?
Sometimes I do, if I want to get out in the sunshine, but on the whole, I think there's so much to keep you occupied indoors, particularly in England, that I don't miss it on the whole. Oh, you know. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. No, but you know, it's sort of entertainment-wise, and, you know, everything's designed to keep you entertained, television and, you know, dancing and things like that. So I don't really miss sunshine unless I maybe want to play sport or something.
Obviously, you know, people must ask you this, being a girl with 3 men in a group, how do you feel about it?
Oh, well, it's very nice. I think in a way when I was young, I always wanted to have a big brother or something.
You've got 3.
And now I've got 3.
Penny Valentine with Judith Durham of The Seekers. The Ready Steady Go Girl. Kathy McGowan sure digs the Hollies.
What do you think about people who knock your records, about people who go on Jukebox Jury and they had a go at...
Tell them to have a look at that
Jukebox Jury don't pick the right people that go on there, because you get people that, like, you get a caterer and you get a cooker, you know. Alright, people who cooks, you know. Simon Freud, whatever his name, what's his name?
Clement Friday.
I'm getting more entitled.
Listen, what about last week's Jukebox Jury?
You're supposed to take the records for the top 20, and they don't know nothing
What
about
about last week's Jukebox Jury? Somebody didn't know who the animals were.
Yeah, how ridiculous.
What do you think about the fans who can scream it off, George?
Great, thanks.
I mean, you know, they must annoy you.
They've all gone over to Walker Brothers. Everybody says, oh, the Hollies will do it, they're nice.
Well, you've had more hit records, haven't you, than anyone, really?
Turnover time on Sound of the Stars. Side 2 includes, among others, the fabulous Beatles.